Okay, hi everybody. I am Diana Ehrlich, and I am here to ask for a proposal of having the school fit into their budget the purchase of 68 Apple iPads with 128 gigabytes of memory. What I would like to do with these iPads for the grades 4 through 6, with the total student count of 200 students, is help them be better functional for their classes and at school. As we all know, students are coming and going through those classes, especially in the sixth grade level, from class to class. They have to gather up all their stuff. They need to make sure everything is organized and have the right materials for class. What we have been running into for the past few semesters is students are misplacing notebooks, misplacing writing utensils, or coming into the class unprepared. Yes, this is part of the students' responsibilities to have all of this in order and have all the supplies they are needing for class. What I would like to do with the Apple iPads is have a system down for the students to keep their materials in the classroom or in a better area and more organized for them and the classroom. My idea for these iPads is their whole functions. iPads are able to carry Microsoft Office, Excel, and have the internet option for doing research. For the Microsoft and the Excel, what we could do is we can have the students be taking notes on these iPads, and instead of having the notebooks and getting notebooks switched around per class or misplaced, or a page being ripped out of it and then that page being misplaced and they won't have those current notes. With the iPads, they would have their notes written down or typed into the iPad so they can go back and look through them from day to day or as we go and review our units. Then also when it comes to projects, the students are able to have all access right there inside the classroom for internet access to do their research, to where they can copy paste material referenced correctly onto their project and place it into their notes, or as they can open up a program in the classroom to work within it and go back and forth instead of going into the computer lab and possibly being unassisted into the computer lab doing their research and then coming back into the classroom to put their research into their paper or say PowerPoint presentation. Also with the iPads, the student count is 200 for the classes of 4th through 6th again, but I'm only asking for 68 iPads with the ability to log in and out of such programs and such technology. Each iPad is capable of having 3 users, so that would leave one extra iPad in case we were to happen to have another student join our classes, and then there would be a iPad for the teacher themselves, and then we can keep track of the students' progress to where instead of going around and around and circling the room all the time, we can click onto our iPad, we can get on to our applications, and we can view what is on the other students' screen and what they have been doing and may not have been doing, as they said, and we can keep track of their progress and make sure that they're staying up with class and to the project and keeping them on course. The price of the iPads, looking into different resources of cost, we are looking at 3 different vendors, and those would be Target, Amazon, and then the Apple Store itself. Through Target, the iPads themselves are $699.99 for a total proposed value of $47,599.32. Going through Amazon, they are priced at $536.06 for a total of $36,452.08. And so the best vendor I found so far is the Apple Store itself, with $429 a piece for the iPads, totaling $29,172. This is a large amount of money that I am asking the school to help fund through, but I do believe that the iPads over time will be paying for themselves because it's going to eliminate the confusion or misplace of notes and clutter into the classroom. As we know, there's lots of paperwork coming in and going, excuse me, going out of the classroom, and that the iPads doing the process I spoke of, taking notes, doing the research there, all into the classroom, will eliminate that paperwork for the student and also for the teacher. That way, because the assignments are on the iPads, the teacher will be able to log into each tablet, take a look at the assignment, grade it from there, and make the classroom a more organized area for the students to be in. And with the ability of having everything the student needs on the iPad, that is going to also eliminate time in between classes. They won't have to tell the teacher, oh, I forgot this, I need to go back and get it. May I go back and get this? Oh, well, I forgot this, I need to go find it. Or can I borrow one from a student? Can I borrow one from you? And the other option of, well, I forgot that at home. So with the iPads, all of their research and their writings is going to be on that iPad, so they won't have the option of forgetting those at home, and make a little better and more organized day at school for the kids. In regards to the students using the tablet in the classes, I'm looking at more of the social studies and the science subjects of the class in the day-to-day, because that is where most of the note-taking is taking place, and more of the projects and experiments are doing, and more research is needed for these classes. The tablets will be numbered, and each student will be assigned that. Up to 3 students will be assigned to that tablet, with each student getting their own login information. And that way, at the end of each class, give the students ample enough time to log out, save their work, log out, so they're ready for the next class. That way, other classes are not getting into their assignments and either accidentally deleting them or working on them thinking they are their own and getting those confused. So at this time, that is my proposal again, is for 68 Apple iPads version 9.7 with 128 gigabytes of data to be split up amongst 200 4th through 6th graders with 3 students per tablet.